Join me as I take on the challenge of creating an online course from scratch and see if I can turn it into a profitable venture. Creating an online course can be a game changer, giving you the potential to earn big and transform your expertise into a thriving business, all while helping others learn and grow. Many people want to create an online course but get stuck at the starting line, unsure of where to begin or what to do. Lack of knowledge about the process holds some back, while others are intimidated by the technology involved. Fear of choosing the wrong niche or creating content that falls flat is also a major hurdle. Some individuals have a wealth of knowledge to share but struggle to organize their thoughts into a cohesive course structure. Choosing a niche can be overwhelming, with so many options available, making it difficult to decide which path to take. Creating engaging content is equally important, requiring a deep understanding of your target audience and what they hope to achieve from your course. Providing actionable insights and valuable information is crucial to the success of your course, and selecting the right platforms for delivery is also vital. You need to understand your target audience and the platforms they are most likely to use. With the right approach, you can create a highly successful online course that attracts and retains students. When it comes to choosing a profitable course topic, research is key, and understanding your target audience is vital. Creating engaging content requires a mix of video, text, and interactive elements, all designed to keep your students engaged and motivated. Selecting the right platforms for delivery is also crucial, with options ranging from hosted platforms to self-hosted solutions. A great example of someone who turned their expertise into a thriving online course is an entrepreneur who took their passion for photography and created a highly successful course teaching others the skills they needed to succeed. They started by validating their idea, ensuring there was a demand for the course, and then created high-quality content that met the needs of their students. This entrepreneur's success was not overnight. They put in the work, continually evaluating and improving their course, and the results were impressive. Their course attracted a large following, and they were able to earn a significant income from their efforts. They also leveraged their course to build a community of like-minded individuals, all passionate about photography. Their success is a testament to the potential of online course creation, and with the right mindset and approach, anyone can achieve similar results. In conclusion, creating a successful online course requires dedication and hard work, but the potential rewards are well worth the effort. And with the right approach, anyone can turn their expertise into a profitable venture. If you're thinking of creating an online course, comment below with your thoughts, and be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on building a successful online business.